Okay, so I got this detector here, Panky. Like a nice little detector. Now, I'm not going to do an unboxing video because you guys see enough of unboxing videos here, but I'm going to put this here detector together, and then I'm going to take it out and check out the numbering system. I want to see how it operates, you know, for coins and stuff like that, how well it does, and we'll go from there. So let me get this thing unboxed and put together here. Let's see what's in this box. You're going to have all your detector parts, screen, your shaft, your coral. So let me get this all put together. Like you got some nice set of headphones, padded ear cuffs. Nice set of headphones. That's going to be a digging tool. That's kind of cool. You put that together, it all twists together. It's got a little shovel, a little digging tool. Nice little pouch to store it in. You can put it on your belt if you want to. That's nice. Got extra washers. This goes on your shaft, between your shaft and your coral. There's the manual. So go ahead and look through the manual. I like to kind of look through the manual, kind of familiarize myself. It shows you how to put it together. And then, of course, your numbering systems. It comes with batteries, so you can put the batteries in there. Put it together. And here's your numbers going to correspond. The numbers will correspond with the different coins or whatever you get. So what I'm going to do is put this together. And I'm going to go out into the field where there's a park at and see if I can find me anything out there. So let me get this put together and then go out to a park. Well, so here's this park area that there's been a lot of things lost out here. There's a lot of coins and different things like that out here. So I'm just going to swing this detector for a second, kind of see around and see what we can find out here and what the numbers match up and all of that type of stuff. Okay, first off, you turn it on. Okay, so there's your speaker. No, that's okay. So okay, you can tell it's all the way on now. Okay, the mode, it's on all metals, discriminate, memory, and jewelry mode. So let's go to all metals. Okay, your sensitivity. Let's turn the sensitivity all the way up. Okay, and this is to pinpoint once you do something. Give you a coin depth. Okay, let's just swing this and see what we find. Keep your coral basically as close to the ground as you can. I do have this gold nugget. I'm curious to see what that'll do going over that gold nugget. Let me put this down on the ground. It's right there. Okay, it's ringing up there in, what is that saying? In silver. It's ringing up there in the high end up there, okay? That's what you want it to be, up there in the high end. So it does pick up that, see, it's clipped there at 87 like. So that's what you like for that. So it will pick up a bigger piece of gold. Now here, as I can see, there's a lot of iron on the ground right here. I'm assuming that's what it is, picking up that iron. Let's just see, just move some of the out of the way with your foot. Oh no, it's picking up a coin. I see it right there. Where'd it go? I saw a coin. Let's see it right there. It's a quarter. No, it's a token. It's a token. It's a token of some sort. Okay, let's see what that rings up. 77. Okay. Okay, so cool. Found a token. Where'd it go now? Uh-oh. Where'd it go? Right there. Cool.
There's a tin can right there. Tin, I picked that up right there. That's garbage though, I can see that on the surface. I thought I was getting another target right there. I guess not. Guess not. Okay, I'm getting a target here. Where'd it go? Might be a couple targets right here. Okay, see that's 61, 6 down there. That range. Move some of the dirt out of the way. It's getting closer. Still there. 86, 87. Okay, it's out of the hole. It's right in here. Right there. You got a pinpoint right here, so push the pinpoint. Right there. Let's find it. What you want to try to do is have a scoop that you can scoop up. Okay, see it's in the scoop. Then just half it. Still in the scoop. Still in the scoop. Still in the scoop. There it is. It's a piece of lead. Maybe part of like an old 22 shell or something like that. That's what it is. It's a piece of lead. Old piece of lead. Got the target here. That's ringing up an 80, 81. That's saying that's a dime. Let's see. Okay, got it in there. Still in the scoop. There it is right there. That's what it is. It's a dime. It's a dime. It's not silver, but it is a dime. Okay. There's a target here. That's ringing up 90, 92. That's right there. Let's move that stuff out of the way. Thing is still there. Okay. Thing is still there. Still there. All right, I better get the scoop out now. Okay. Okay. There it is right there. Ooh, it's a quarter. It's a quarter. Okay, cool. Quarter. I like it. Always fill your holes back in. That's just proper etiquette. Okay, I'm getting a target there. It's ringing up 79.80. It says it's a dime. Let's see. Let's check it out. Okay. There it is, right there. That's what it is. It's a dime. It's a dime. It's not silver, but it's a dime. It is a dime. Okay, cool. Getting rich. Okay, this one's ringing up 86. Oh, there it is right there. Quarter. Another quarter. Cool. I'm getting rich. This one's ringing up 8081. Right there. Let me get it. It's right there. It's another dime. Another dime. That one's ringing up 8586. Oh, I see it right there. It's another quarter. It's another quarter. Okay, this one's out of the hole already. And it's ringing up 5344. Tells me it's down there in the lower range. It's right there, so there it is right there. It is. It's a nickel. It's a nickel. You gotta know what these numbers mean. It'll help you identify what they are. Okay, there's another one. It's ringing up 81. Remember what those are? Remember what the 81s were? You do, don't you? See if you remember what that 81 was. See how smart you guys are. See how smart you guys are. It's right there. There it is. If you said a dime, you were right. If you said a dime, you were right. It's a dime. Now there's a piece of junk. It's a piece of tin. That's just garbage. It's just an old piece of tin. Whew. I think I hit a nice good little patch right here. Nobody's been over here detecting before. I think I got lucky right here. Oh, it's a quarter. Is that what that is? Okay, see, I get, that's 8082. Cross it, go the opposite way. Because sometimes you'll get a better reading depending on where it is, and then it'll also help you exit where it is. Kind of in the center. Tells me it's right about there. 80, 78, 83. Remember what that number was? If you said a dime, you were right. Always check your holes again. There's another target in that hole. Or near it. It's a nickel. That was a nickel. Okay. I'm done here. I'm out of here. But hey, did pretty good, huh? Yeah, you think this thing could pay for itself over time? I think so too. Get into a park or a beach or something like that. You never know what you might find. Hey, check out this Pancky Metal Detector. For an entry-level metal detector, you can't beat it. I'll leave you the link down below in the description.